Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariovit and in this tutorial I will show you how to remove video on your channel YouTube. I will show you how to do it, so you may like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment and let's go. This what you need to do is login on your account. Okay, login. Now you may click on the manage videos or YouTube studio, which you want. Now you need to click on the content here, and to remove video must click here in these three dots, the options. Now you can see here I have option like delete forever. You may also download video, so we click on the I understand, so we need to tournament, and then okay, and click on the delete forever. Okay, and it was one method. If you want remove more videos on one time, if you click this which you won't need, remove, and here you have option like more actions, and here you have delete forever. Okay, and you did it, so it's all in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. You may leave like for help, subscribe to follow me, write a comment and share to others. That's all, see you next time. Thanks for watching, bye bye.